This is a fairly new restaurant. It is Autobahn, located at Phoenix Market City, Pune. So here we enter. Autobahn opened in January 2018. This restaurant has introduced a new concept in serving food. It is first of its kind in India. Here the waiters do not bring food to your table. The work is done by gadgets. You can see a variety of starters moving on the conveyor belt. All you need to do is to just help yourself. This channel above the conveyor belt is used to send food from the kitchen to your table using a computerized system. It will be demonstrated in a short while. The plates used for starters are color-coded. Each color indicates the price of the dish. The cuisine at Autobahn is pan-Indian. The restaurant staff do not bring the food to your table, that is done by the automated system. But they are always there to assist or help you. A tablet is placed on every table. You have to use this to check out what is available and place your order. You can choose from beverages, soups, starters, main course, bread, dessert, rice, and biryani. So now, let us place some orders. You can select the dishes you want to order here. This is Dahi Karara Kabab. Let us try this out. Here you can add a description. Say, you may want it to be less spicy. Tap here to place the order. Then tap here. This is what you see on the screen. Now confirm your order. The order is now confirmed. Let us order some more dishes. Let us see what choices we have here. This is Safi yani Seekh Kabab, we will order this. This is Mutton Rogan Josh, we are ordering this too. While we are waiting for the a la carte dishes, let us try something on the move. This is dahi bola or dahi wada, we have tried this before here. It is really very good. The a la carte dishes have begun to arrive. The dishes are placed on a cart and it stops right at your table.
Please collect your food. Thank you. Please collect your food. Thank you. Please collect. Please collect your food.
Autobahn is not just about using technology to bring food to your table. The dishes are made with great deal of care by expert chefs. The food not only tastes good, the staff also engages with you, thereby making it a pleasurable experience. For more on the dishes served at Autobahn, please visit our blog. The link has been given in the description below. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the bell icon to get notifications.